Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about how to install third-party modules in Python. So let's talk about what are third-party modules. And third-party modules are just modules that have been written by other people, and we use them to provide answers to common tasks. For example, let's say that I have a project, and in that project I need to write a function that can find the price of a house given factors such as the number of bedrooms and the number of bathrooms. This is a pretty difficult and also time-consuming function to write, and chances are that someone has already written a module that can do part of this or all of this. And it's my job to find that module and install it and import it. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. I'd just like to quickly mention that when you install Python, it comes with some built-in modules that you can just import whenever you want to. And you can find them here where it says project. And if you open up this external libraries drop menu and you go to Python 3.8 library root, these are all the modules that you can import and use in your Python files. So if you open up your web browser and use the link I put in the description, you're going to come to this page called pypy.org, and what this place is, it's a Python package index, and this is where people upload their modules and also where you can find modules to put in your own code. So I'm just gonna search here. I want a module that has calculator functions. So I'm just gonna say calculator. And it gives me a bunch of modules called calculator. And I like this one right here called my calculator 0.7. So if I click on that, it gives you a description. What this package does is it can find the greatest common divisor and lowest common multiple given some numbers, and it can also reduce fractions. And the way we install this is by copying this right here, which you can do by just clicking this. And now you can head over to the terminal and just first go to your directory where you have your project, and my project is in my desktop, so I go /desktop, and then you say the name of your project after that, so tutorial, and then you just paste that in. So pip install and then my calculator. So it's going to do that and it's done. And pip is just a package manager for Python, meaning that you use it to install and uninstall modules from Python. And pip comes with most of the versions of Python 3 in the past couple years, but if you've gotten Python before that, you may have to install pip, and I'm not going to be showing you how to do that in this video, but there are tons of videos on YouTube that will show you how to do that. And now let's go into our PyCharm. So to check if it's installed, we can go back over to our external libraries tab and go here to site packages, and right here is my calculator, and here's my calculator.py. So let's open this up just to see what he's done. And here we have a class called calculator, and this is called a comment right here. And you can make comments by using 3 quotation marks or also using a pound symbol, and they are just ways of explaining what you've done without actually affecting your code. And here we have our greatest common divisor method and our LCM, our lowest common multiple method, and our reduced fraction method. And the great part about all of this is that we don't actually care what he's written, so I can just close this and just use it without actually knowing everything that he's done. So now I can just say from my calculator, import calculator, and I can just use it by saying print out, and let's print out the greatest common divisor or something. So I can just say print out calculator dot gcd of, let's go 10, 4, and 8, and it should give me 2, and it works. And that's pretty much everything in this video, and in the next video I'm going to be talking about more in depth on classes. But that's all for now. Bye!